Hello, welcome back to the Glow Up Gurus. In today's fast-paced world, finding a moment of peace can feel like an impossible task. We are constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and demands on our time and attention. But what if there was a way to escape the noise, to find a sense of calm amidst the chaos? What if the key to unlocking inner peace was as simple as putting one foot in front of the other? Welcome to the transformative practice of walking meditation. This ancient practice, rooted in mindfulness, offers a gentle yet powerful way to reconnect with yourself and find tranquility in the midst of life's storms. Unlike traditional seated meditation, walking meditation invites you to move your body while cultivating a sense of presence and awareness. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover that it's not about reaching a destination or pushing yourself to your physical limits. Instead, it's about slowing down, paying attention to the sensations of your body, and cultivating a sense of deep inner stillness. Walking meditation might seem like a simple practice, but its effects on the brain and body are profound and backed by scientific evidence. Research has shown that walking meditation can reduce stress hormones like cortisol, lower blood pressure, and improve sleep quality. When we engage in walking meditation, we shift our attention away from our thoughts and worries and towards the physical sensations of walking. We notice the feeling of our feet on the ground, the rhythm of our breath, the gentle movement of our body. This focus on the present moment helps to quiet the mind and calm the nervous system. Moreover, walking meditation activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and relaxation. This activation counteracts the stress response triggered by the sympathetic nervous system, leading to a sense of calm and well-being. Walking meditation is not just a practice for the mind, it's a practice for the body as well. If you're ready to escape the noise and find peace within, walking meditation is a powerful practice that can guide you. It's a journey that begins with a single step, a conscious decision to slow down, pay attention, and reconnect with yourself. Throughout this journey, you'll learn to cultivate mindfulness not just during your walking meditation practice, but also in your everyday life. You'll discover how to bring a sense of awareness to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations, allowing you to navigate challenges with greater ease and grace. Walking meditation is not about achieving perfection or silencing your thoughts altogether. It's about cultivating a kind and compassionate awareness of whatever arises in your experience, whether it's pleasant or unpleasant. Your journey to inner calm begins now, one mindful step at a time. Before we embark on our walking meditation, let's take a moment to prepare ourselves and our surroundings. Choose a location that resonates with you: a quiet park, a serene beach, a tranquil forest path, or even a peaceful corner of your home. The key is to find a space where you can walk without distractions or interruptions. If you're outdoors, allow the beauty of nature to envelop you. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin, bask in the warmth of the sun, or listen to the soothing sounds of rustling leaves or crashing waves. If you're indoors, create a calming atmosphere by dimming the lights, playing soft instrumental music, or diffusing essential oils like lavender or chamomile. Wear comfortable clothing that allows for ease of movement. As you prepare to begin, take a moment to set an intention for your walk. What do you hope to cultivate during this time? Are you seeking stress reduction, increased focus, a deeper connection with nature, or simply a moment of peace? By setting an intention, you infuse your practice with purpose and create a focal point for your attention. Now that we've set the stage for our walking meditation, let's turn our attention to our posture and pace. Just as in seated meditation, maintaining an upright and dignified posture during walking meditation helps to create a sense of alertness and presence. Imagine a string gently pulling upward from the crown of your head, lengthening your spine and creating space between each vertebra. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, allowing your arms to swing naturally by your sides. Keep your gaze soft and slightly lowered, focusing on the path a few feet ahead of you. As you begin to walk, pay attention to your pace. Find a rhythm that feels natural and comfortable for you. The key is to move at a speed that allows you to maintain awareness of your body and surroundings without feeling hurried or strained. Each step is an opportunity to return to the present moment and reconnect with the peace that resides within you. With each step, we begin to shed the weight of our worries, the to-do lists that clutter our minds, and the endless stream of thoughts that pull us in 1,000 directions. As we walk, we cultivate a sense of presence, an awareness of the here and now that allows us to experience life more fully. With each mindful step, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, a pilgrimage to the center of our being. As we walk, we may notice thoughts arising in our minds. Instead of judging these thoughts or trying to silence them, we can simply acknowledge them with a sense of gentle curiosity. We can observe them as if they were clouds passing through the vast sky of our awareness. We don't need to engage with them, analyze them, or push them away. We can simply allow them to come and go like waves gently lapping at the shore. As we continue our walking meditation, let's gently shift our attention outward, engaging our senses in the rich tapestry of the present moment. Our senses are the gateways to experiencing the world around us, yet in the rush of daily life, we often move through our surroundings on autopilot. Walking meditation invites us to awaken from this sensory slumber and to rediscover the beauty and wonder that surround us in each and every moment. As you walk, notice the play of light and shadow, the vibrant hues of flowers, the intricate patterns of bark on trees. Listen attentively to the symphony of sounds, the gentle rustling of leaves, the melodic chirping of birds, the rhythmic crashing of waves. Feel the caress of the breeze on your skin, the warmth of the sun on your face, or the coolness of the ground beneath your feet. Each sensation is a reminder of your aliveness, your connection to the world around you. In the practice of walking meditation, we discover that beauty is not reserved for special occasions or exotic locations. It's present in every moment, in the most ordinary of things, if only we open our hearts and minds to see it. As you walk, allow your gaze to rest gently on the world around you. Notice the intricate patterns of cracks in the sidewalk, the delicate veins on a leaf, the way sunlight dances on the surface of a puddle. Observe the expressions on people's faces as they pass by, a smile, a furrowed brow, a look of quiet contemplation. Each detail, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, holds a unique beauty waiting to be discovered. As you practice the art of seeing, you cultivate a sense of wonder and appreciation for the world around you. You begin to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, the sacred in the everyday. Walking meditation invites us to engage all our senses, creating a richer, more immersive experience of the present moment. Notice the scents, blooming flowers, damp soil, ocean breeze. Explore textures, smooth stone, rough bark, soft moss. Notice each step, arm movement, and breath. Your surroundings come alive with vibrancy. The world becomes a symphony of senses. This sensory immersion anchors you in the present moment. As we delve deeper into the practice of walking meditation, we turn our attention inward, focusing on the subtle yet powerful rhythm of our breath. The breath serves as an anchor for our awareness, gently guiding us back to the present moment whenever our minds wander. In the busyness of daily life, we often take our breath for granted, barely noticing this vital life force that sustains us. But in the practice of walking meditation, the breath becomes a focal point, a source of grounding and stability. As you walk, bring your attention to the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. Notice the rise and fall of your abdomen, the gentle expansion and contraction of your rib cage. Just as a ship's anchor provides stability in stormy seas, your breath serves as an anchor for your mind, keeping you grounded in the present moment. As you continue to walk, experiment with synchronizing your breath with your steps. This practice, often used in walking meditations, can further enhance your sense of presence and create a harmonious flow between your body and mind. Begin by noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. How many steps do you take with each inhale? How many with each exhale? There's no right or wrong answer here. Simply observe your own unique rhythm without judgment. Once you've established a comfortable pace, try coordinating your steps with your breath. For example, you might inhale for 4 steps, exhale for 4 steps, or find a different count that feels natural for you. Each step becomes an opportunity to return to the present moment, to reconnect with the peace that resides within you. Section 3. Cultivating calm, the science of mindful breathing. Mindful breathing during walking meditation is deeply rooted in science. Deep, intentional breathing impacts our physical and mental well-being. Stress makes our breath shallow and rapid, triggering the body's stress response. Mindful breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation. This shift reduces anxiety, improves focus, and promotes peace. Walking meditation trains our brains to be more resilient to stress. Section 1. Unveiling the mind's landscape. Thoughts as passing clouds. As we walk, our attention shifts inward, observing thoughts without judgment. Thoughts flow like clouds, plans, worries, judgments. We observe them without engaging, letting them pass. Just as clouds drift by, so do our thoughts. Section 2. Embracing imperfection, meeting your thoughts with kindness. As we become more aware of our thoughts, we may be tempted to judge ourselves for having certain thoughts or for not being able to quiet our minds. We may compare ourselves to experienced meditators who seem to effortlessly achieve a state of mental stillness. It's important to remember that there's no right or wrong way to experience walking meditation. The goal is not to empty our minds or achieve a state of blissful silence, but rather to cultivate a kind and compassionate awareness of whatever arises in our experience. When thoughts arise, as they inevitably will, we meet them with the same gentleness and acceptance that we would offer a dear friend. We acknowledge their presence without judgment, recognizing that they are simply a part of the human experience. Instead of berating ourselves for having negative thoughts, we can explore them with curiosity, seeking to understand their root causes. We can ask ourselves, what need is this thought trying to meet? What emotion is it expressing? By approaching our thoughts with curiosity and compassion, we create space for healing and growth. Section 3. Cultivating clarity, finding stillness amidst the mental chatter. Walking meditation helps quiet our minds, replacing chatter with stillness and clarity. These moments of peace become more frequent with practice. Stillness arises naturally as we cultivate compassionate awareness. Like a lake settling when the wind dies down, our minds find tranquility. Section 1. The gift of presence, integrating walking meditation into daily life. Walking meditation is a gift of presence you carry with you wherever you go. Engage your senses, notice your breath, and observe your thoughts without judgment. Each moment becomes an opportunity to cultivate awareness and find peace. Integrate walking meditation into your daily routine for greater peace and clarity. Section 2. Your journey continues. One mindful step at a time. Remember that your journey with walking meditation is a process, not a destination. There will be days when your mind races with thoughts, when distractions pull at your attention, or when it feels challenging to connect with the present moment. On those days, meet yourself with kindness and compassion. Recognize that even a few mindful steps are a step in the right direction. Each time you return to the practice, you strengthen your ability to cultivate peace and presence in your life. As you continue to explore the practice of walking meditation, experiment with different environments, paces, and techniques. Discover what resonates with you, what helps you to connect with a sense of inner calm and well-being. The path of walking meditation is yours to create. Embrace the journey, one mindful step at a time, and discover the transformative power of this ancient practice in your own life.